Cool. So guys, we are going to get started with a topic called as marketing automation. Now, what exactly is this marketing automation? Marketing automation is nothing but you are going to learn how do you manage too many leads and how do you do a little of sales optimization. That is, let's say if 1,000 leads are coming to you on a daily basis, 1,000 leads are coming to you on a daily basis, how do you segregate these leads into hot leads, cold leads, warm leads, and how do you do a continuous follow-up? That is, after one day, send him an email. If he's not replying back to an email, send him an SMS. If he's replying back to the SMS, then what should be the next step ahead, etc., etc. So that is something that you're going to learn. So I'm going to divide marketing automation into two different parts. Number one part is automate the lead generation. Okay, automate what? Automate lead generation. And the second thing is automate workflow. Okay, there are two different things in marketing automation. Number one, automate the lead generation. Number two, automate the workflow. Now, what exactly is automate the lead generation? Lead generation is nothing but lead generation is the process of getting the contact details of your potential customers. Now, you need to understand, for a business to survive, it is very important that they keep getting leads on a daily basis. Okay, only if they keep getting leads, they can add that lead to their database, they can pitch their products and services. अगर leads आना बंद हो जाएगा तो वो business भी बंद हो जाएगा. Okay, business भी बंद हो जाएगा. Because you see, the problem is not in operations today. Every company knows how to do operations. The problem is in getting quality leads. So number one thing I'm going to show you, how do you automate the lead generation process, and then you automate the workflow. Automate the workflow is nothing but, now you see, because of this, you have started getting 1,000 leads per day. Now you cannot manually reach out to all the 1,000 people on a daily basis, right? You need to create a workflow. I call it as system. So usually in MNCs, the system is everybody's boss. Okay, so similarly here also you're going to create a system, and that system is going to take care of all of your workflow. कि जैसे ही लीड आते ही सबसे पहले क्या जाएगा, उसको ईमेल जाएगा या एसएमएस जाएगा, या फिर उसको कोई कॉल करेगा, कॉल करने के बाद क्या होगा. So that is called as automating the workflow. For today, what I'll do is I'll only show you guys this one, automating the lead generation process. So for automating the lead generation, we are going to use something called as chatbot. Okay, we are going to use something called as chatbot. That means if visitors are coming to your website, they can quickly fill up their contact details. Okay, they can quickly fill up their contact details. And yeah, chatbot is one of the tools. Apart from chatbot, one more tool is landing pages, etc., etc., etc. So, but chatbot is a very popular tool. So I'll start with chatbot. Okay, so I have logged in into this website called as continually. I'll be giving you guys time later to do this. Just observe my screen, what I'm doing right now. Okay, so what I will do is I'll go to something called as bots. Okay, I'll go to bots, and then I'll click on create new bot. Now, what exactly is this bot? Bot is nothing but, if somebody visits your website, it is not possible for you to be there on your website 24/7, right? You can install something called as talk.to. Talk.to is nothing but a live chat. But for that live chat, you will also have to be on the website 24/7. But instead of that, what are we using is we are using a bot. So this bot will automatically prompt people to send messages and slowly collect their contact details. I'll show you one example for this. So let's say we go to this website called as textilezone.in. So let's say once I go to this particular website and I'm browsing through the website, immediately in the right hand side, you will see something like this. Kahan gaya? Chat kyun nahi khul raha? Okay, let me scroll down a little more. And okay, not over here. So let's say web services. Yeah. On this particular page, let's say you click on this. Immediately a chatbot opens like this. Hi, I'm Aisha here to help you. What is your business goal? So let's say a person says, I want both leads and sales. And then it asks you, awesome, we have helped 3,000 plus business achieve this. Do you have a website so that we can understand your product better? Yes, but currently under construction. No, but looking to build one. No, I don't think my website needs a business. So I'll say yes, no, but looking to build one. Okay, then it will say that, can I have your contact number so that we can discuss more about your business? तो ये क्या हो गया guys, ये पूरा ऑटोमेटेड सिस्टम हो गया. जैसे ही मैं यहाँ पे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर डालूंगा अपना, तो मुझे बैकएंड के अंदर लीड आ जाएगा. Thank you. You're just a call away from our marketing expert who can grow your business 10x. Okay. Now this lead is collected right over here. Okay. So if I go to leads over here, once I go to leads over here, ये वाला lead देखिए 56 seconds ago. And then this lead you see 13 hours ago, 15 hours ago, 1 day ago, 1 day ago, 1 day ago, 3 days ago, 4 days ago, 4 days ago, 5 days, 1 week, etc. etc. You see there are a lot of leads over here. Okay. अब मैं क्या करूंगा, सबसे पहले बॉट बनाना है. बॉट इज नथिंग बट ये फ्लो, ये जो वर्क फ्लो आप देख रहे हो ना, सबसे पहले ये बॉट बनाना है. ये बॉट बनाने के बाद इसको वेबसाइट के ऊपर डालना है. देयर आर टू थिंग्स दैट यू आर सपोज्ड टू डू ओवर हियर. फर्स्ट, क्रिएटिंग दैट चैटबॉट. Once the chatbot is created, the chatbot has to be deployed on your website. Okay, so I'll go over here and then I'll start with, let's say, create a new bot. Okay, I'm going to start with create a new bot, or I'll go ahead and edit the same one. So I'll click on edit appearance. Nahi, bot ko edit karna hai. Let's say create new itself. Okay, qualifying questions, etc. Let's say welcome, use this template kar dete hain. Template is of no use. Cool. Now here is how this is looking like. What I will do is first I will delete this and delete all of this. Okay. So here is where the bot starts from. Hi, I am this particular seller. Hi, I am Mohit Rathi. Okay. You can change this. I'll click on this. Instead, hi, how can we help you today? Okay. And then I'll click on save. Now in the left hand side, I have message, video, image, etc., etc., different things to choose from. So let's say, how can we help you today? We'll give you an option of multiple select. Let me see if there is something like that. Drop down है, select करके कुछ है क्या? Free text है, multiple choice है. Yeah, I think so. Multiple choice.
Multiple choice.
So I'll put multiple choice over here. Okay. Then let's say इसको blank करके मैं, how can we help you today? Select one of the below. Okay. And the first one is, I am looking for digital marketing course, digital marketing training. And the second one is, I am looking for digital marketing services. And the third option is, I'm just browsing, right? I'm just browsing. ये फोर्थ वाले को निकाल देता हूँ मैं. ठीक है, इसको सेलेक्ट करने के बाद मैं इसको सेव कर देता हूँ. ओके, सेव करने के बाद गाइस अंडरस्टैंड, कनेक्टिंग दिस टू दिस ऐसे वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये इसको ऐसे लाना है, इसको यहाँ पे ऐसे कनेक्ट करना है. ठीक है, कनेक्ट हो गया. अब इसको रिफ्रेश कीजिए. रिफ्रेश करने के बाद देखिए, हाय, हाउ कैन वी हेल्प यू टुडे? सेलेक्ट वन ऑफ द बिलो. I'm looking for digital marketing training. I'm looking for digital marketing services. I'm just browsing. Okay. Now let's say if somebody selects, I'm looking for digital marketing service. What should be the next action? So next action you are going to select, let's say digital marketing services. Let's say name capture. Okay. Name capture को मैंने यहाँ पे ला लिया. यहाँ पे मैं ले लूँगा इसको edit करके, great. Can I know your good name? Can I know your good name, please? ठीक है, इसको मैंने यहाँ पे कनेक्ट कर दिया, इसको यहाँ पे ले गया, यहाँ पे कनेक्ट कर दिया. ओके, एंड लेट्स से इसको थोड़ा नीचे ला देता हूँ. लेट मी क्लोज दिस एंड ऑल आर एक्स्ट्रा. ठीक है, इसको वापस यहाँ ले गए. आई एम लुकिंग फॉर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सर्विसेज. Even that guy gets redirected to the same thing. Great, I can know, if I can know your good name, please. And then possibly you can capture their contact details. So यहाँ पे phone करके रहेगा, तो phone ले लूँगा. Can I have your contact number, please? So that our team will call you up in a very short time, something like that. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से यहाँ पे आ गया. I'm just browsing वाले को क्या जाएगा? I'm just browsing वाले को you can show him some message. So I'll go over here. I'll click on message. I'll drag and drop it over here. That means this to this. And over here, I can write sure. If there is anything which we can help you with, reach out to us. Feel free to reach out to us, etc., etc. ऐसे करके end कर सकते हो. ठीक है, और इसका एंड क्या रहेगा वो आप डिसाइड कर सकते हो कि ये नहीं चाहिए तो इसको क्लोज कर दो, क्लोज कर दो। हमेशा याद रखिए ये ऐसा कनेक्शन बनाना जरूरी है। सो जस्ट ब्राउजिंग से यहाँ पे चला जाएगा। इफ somebody selects just browsing, he'll go to this particular one. Sure, if there is anything else that we can help you with, please let us know. But if somebody selects I'm looking for digital marketing services, that time he will go for this particular bot wala this thing. Okay. Now once your bot is completed, what you can do is you can also add a delay, guys. If I go over here, right, there will be one option called as allow the user to skip this option, set custom delay. That means open this particular option after 5 seconds, not immediately, after 5 seconds, after 10 seconds, something like that. Okay. In the last, you can also use something called as free text. That is the person can type in. So leave your message over here. Uh, is there anything specific that you are looking for? तो ऐसे यहाँ पे वो भी ऐड कर सकते हो, because now you have got the contact number of the person. So now you can tell him use this space to tell us more about your products and services before our executive calls you up. So something like that. So that is called as free text. तो ये तो जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जितने भी components है, all are very important, and you are supposed to create something like this. Okay.
Yeah, sorry, Mohit, this over here.
Yeah.
May I know your contact number? So
Hmm.
uske niche, this is the question. So
Hmm.
how will he answer? When he answer, he need a dialog box, right?
Yeah, it is a dialog box. It is a dialog box.
Okay,
So
okay, okay,
it is a free space. He can type anything.
okay, got it.
हाँ, ठीक है। तो अब ये पूरा हो जाने के बाद गाइस क्या करना है बोले तो इस पर्टिकुलर बॉट को पब्लिश करना है। ओके, पब्लिश करते ही आपकी वेबसाइट के ऊपर नहीं जाएगा, आपकी वेबसाइट के ऊपर प्लगइन ऐड करना है। द प्लगइन नेम इज कंटिन्यूअली। ओके, कंटिन्यूअली का एक प्लगइन है, उसको ऐड करना है। आई विल बी गिविंग यू गाइस ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज टू 20 मिनट्स टू क्रिएट अ चैट बॉट। ओके, नाउ यूजुअली you can call me old school, but what I do is I create a bot in a notebook. पहले मैं notebook के अंदर पूरा flow बना देता हूँ कि
Correct.
this is how it is going to start and this is how it is going to end. Okay, if you see this one, this bot is one of the most complicated bots. Okay, एक मिनट मैं आपको ये वाला bot दिखाता हूँ और कुछ change ना हो जाए। Yeah, if you see over here, this.
Wow.
You're getting it?
Superb.
How complicated it is. However, this is only one time effort, guys. एक बार bot बन गया अच्छे से and you have deployed it on your website, and that time आपका lead का जो भी है lead qualify करके आता है, because you see when people are selecting regarding orders, then inquire regarding placing orders and tracking regarding issues on orders and delivery, regarding placing orders. Can we have your WhatsApp number, please? Okay. So go ahead, log in into this particular website. Now, guys, this is not a free one. Okay, the pricing is $50 per month. However, 1,000 views is free. That means if 1,000 people see your bot, it is for free of cost. 1,000 views is free. After that, it is $50 per month. Okay. But yeah, 1,000 views के लिए अभी जाके इसके ऊपर account बना दीजिए, guys. Go ahead, create an account and create the bot. I'll give you guys 30 minutes to do this activity.
What is the name?
So guys, if you want to add your bot to the website, add the bot that you have created to the website, the first thing is you'll have to go to your WordPress backend, go to plugins, go to add new, search for this particular plugin called as continually. So install and activate this plugin. Okay, once this plugin is activated, left hand side under settings, you might find this option called as continually. Over here it is. So I'll go to left hand side, settings के अंदर continually में जाऊंगा। कंटिन्यूली के अंदर जाने के बाद यहाँ पे आएगा enable continually on your website. This code you are supposed to get this code from over here. For example, over here you have install and settings. So I'll go to install and settings. This is the code. Okay, so I'm going to copy this particular code. Once I copy this particular code, I'll come back to my WordPress backend. And paste the code right over here and click on save changes. Okay, once I do that, and then I can go to the front end of my website and this bot is going to be activated. Okay, let's say I go to the front end of the website. right hand side, this is going to be activated in some time. It is not yet activated because of web WhatsApp, but yeah. So if you do this, your bot is going to be activated, but I don't want this bot on my website. So I'm going to disable it and then click on save changes. So just install, यहाँ पे रहेगा install and settings. Install and settings के अंदर ये जो code रहेगा, you're supposed to copy this particular code. If it is a HTML website, you're going to send this code to your, what do you say, to your developer, or you can use Google Tag Manager also. But if it is a WordPress website, you can install their WordPress plugin install करने के बाद आप वहां पे डाल सकते हो. Also, you need to understand one more thing, that let's say from the same account you're creating a bot for two different websites. That is, one website is mohitrathi.in, one website is justwebinfotech.in. For example, this digital marketing services is for Mohit Rathi and this textile zone is for some other website of mine. So that time, how will you differentiate? How are you going to differentiate is with this targeting option. Okay, so in targeting, you are going to select, instead of all pages, you're going to select www.mohitrathi.in. Okay, if the page URL contains www.mohitrathi.in, so that means this particular bot will be available on only on which website? Mohitrathi.in. However, guys, this option is required only if from the same continually account you're creating chatbots for different websites. For example, textile zone के लिए एक chatbot, mohitrathi.in के लिए एक chatbot, justweb infotech के लिए एक chatbot, etc., etc., etc. So that time this particular setting is required, because you see the code remains the same. ये जो code है, जितने भी bot बनाओ, if you're creating 4 bots, 5 bots, 10 bots, the code remains the same. So how is it going to make sure कि mohitrathi.in के ऊपर justweb infotech का chatbot नहीं आए? तब आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे chatbot की जो setting है, उधर targeting में सिर्फ mohitrathi.in लिखना होगा. Okay, if you are not able to get what exactly this is, you can ignore as of now, because anyways you are creating only one chatbot as of now. I usually recommend in the free account only create one chatbot. Okay, but yeah, if you're creating chatbots for multiple number of websites, ये targeting option change करना जरूरी होता है. Okay, now I want you guys to go ahead and explore this. Take at least 2 to 3 hours. Okay, 2 to 3 hours for the first 1.5 hour to create the chatbot. It should be a very comprehensive chatbot. Okay, so that the lead definitely comes in, and after that deploy it on your website. How do you deploy it? By using a WordPress plugin. Okay, so this is the activity that I want you guys to do. Okay, so that's it in chatbot. Once chatbot is deployed, in the second half of marketing automation, I'll tell you how to automate the workflow.